In this video, I'm going to talk about thermionic emission. So thermionic emission is defined as the emission of electrons or the cathode rays from a hot metallic substance. The emission of electrons or the cathode rays from a hot metallic substance. Then an example of thermionic emission is the emission of electrons from a tungsten filament. So when a high voltage of electricity passes through a tungsten filament, it produces electrons, and that production of electrons is what is referred to as thermionic emission. Then the other thing that you must know on thermionic emission is the cathode ray oscilloscope, which is abbreviated as CRO. So the cathode ray oscilloscope is an electrical device that is used to investigate electricity in an electric circuit. It is defined as an electrical device that is used to investigate electricity in an electrical circuit. Then the cathode ray oscilloscope is made up of three parts. It's made up of the electron gun, the diffracting system, and the fluorescent screen. And the other thing that you must know on the cathode ray oscilloscope it's how it works or how it operates, and the parts that form the parts that form the cathode ray oscilloscope and their functions. So the first thing, how does a cathode ray oscilloscope works or operates? So it works in this form. So when electron beams are produced by the electron gun, they are diffracted by the diffracting system through the evacuated tube or the vacuum tube, and when they reach the fluorescent screen, they grow. So in summary, you can just say when the electron beams are produced by the electron guns, they are diffracted by the diffracting system, and when they reach the fluorescent screen, they grow. So that's how the cathode ray oscilloscope works or operates. Then the other thing that you must know are the parts that forms the cathode ray oscilloscope. So the first part that forms the cathode ray oscilloscope is the filament. So the function of the filament is to heat up the cathode. Then the electron gun is made up of the cathode, the anode, and the grid. The function of the cathode is to produce electrons through thermionic emission. Then the function of the grid is to control the amount of electrons that passes through it. That's why it is referred to as the brightness controller. Then the function of the anode is to accelerate the electron beam. Then the diffracting system is made up of two plates. It's made up of the X plates and the Y plates. The X plates the function of the X plates is to diffract the electron beam, the electron beam left and right or horizontal. Then the function of the Y plates is to diffract the electron beam up and down or vertically. Then the function of the fluorescent screen is to display the waveforms. Thank you.